everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? Hope you're all doing okay. So I'm starting my birthday series today of my birthday game days. This is episode 1 and yeah, we're just going to have a little bit of fun doing savings challenges to put towards birthdays for 2026. So let's crack on with it. Go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax, and let's crack on with birthday game day episode 1. Okie dokie then. So what I have got in here, you would have seen this already, but I have got my birthday savings challenges in my savings challenge binder. I've got 6 challenges. So I've got birthday bash match up, which is one that I created myself. It's just a little like match up game there. And then I've also got in here from Save with Sophie, Pretty Please with a cherry on top. And then I created myself a birthday balloon scratch off. I've then got a slice of savings, which is from Dingley Designs, which is kind of like a game one there. I've also got Pretty in Pink, which is from the Queen Bee Makes, which was from her pink one, or the pink one box. And then I've got Let's Party, which is another dice game from Dingley Designs. I've got £50 here, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 in £5 notes. And I thought we would do kind of like a time to roll situation. So I'll roll a dice, put 5, go through the challenges, put £5 in and everything. I'm not going to do it like, I'm thinking of doing it as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, instead of doing it as like consecutively. I don't even know if that's the right word. But anywho, sorry, I'm just making sure that I've got a new tripod. It's actually Harriet's tripod, where it's got like a massive ring light on it. But yeah, I just quickly before I start, I just tried to film my June week 2 cash stuffing with my old tripod, with me fixing it because I broke it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I broke my tripod. I posted it on there. I did buy a new one, but it wasn't quite right. And I thought, oh, like the one that I've got is like £25. It's just, I don't really want to pay that for a tripod at the moment. So, yeah, I'm testing out Harriet's one. So I really hope that it's okay. So June week 2 cash stuffing was a complete fail when I was recording it. Just the phone wouldn't sit properly and the tripod. Anyway, so there is no week 2 June cash stuffing. Right, let's crack on with it. Right, let me bring this down a bit here. And yeah, I think that setup's okay. So let's start. So 2, so that's 1, 2, and that's £10. That's not £10. £5 going into there. 1. So yeah, it's a little bit annoying that me tripod. I mean, I have had it a few years. I've had it for about 3 years, 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've had it for 2 years. Actually, no, I can't remember when I bought it. I'll have to have a little look. So I did get it off of Amazon. 5 again. So yeah, we shall see. Oh no, I've got one that I can't open the thing up of, but yeah, I mean, if Harriet's one works out okay, then I'll just use her one, because I don't film with, I'm always by myself when I film anyway, so it's not a case of that she's using it. That's 3, 4, 5. Oh, the bow one is getting, oh, I'm going to forget in the out. Number 2, she's here, and then one more 5. Let's give it a little 2. That's fine. That's fine. Okie dokie, yeah. So let's push all this to one side. and then we shall go through each challenge. Okay then, so up first, so the one that I created myself called Birthday Bash. Each match is £5. So I can do a, I'm going to do the little cat with the party popper there. So I think one, two, three, four, five. I think, oh, I can't remember what this saves actually. Oh, I can't bother to work it out. Lazy. Anyway, he could be like 65 or something like that. Okie dokie. So, oh, this got a good amount. So we shall see what we get. Because the pink is 20. I don't know whether to change that to a 10, to be honest with you. Yeah, I kind of feel like I want to do that. Because 20 just kind of scares me. It really does. So, yeah, I think I'm going to change the pink to 10. And then the red to 5. I think I'm going to do that. Let's see what we get, though. See what I mean? Like pink. Like... Okay, so it says about a cherry on top. Roll the dice and add the coloured cherries. So, yeah, I'm going to do that as 10. Shall we change that? So that's going to be 10. And then this is going to be 5. There we go. Okay, then. So, yeah, that's that. And let's see. Hopefully we get not another 10. A green, yay, which is 5. I mean, to be fair, I mostly just end up cheating anyway, as I always do, so. Right, let's do a green cherry. Perfect. Oh, this is actually a really cute little game. I love this. Righty ho, so we've got 15 going into there. Brilliant. Okay, up next is a scratch off. Now I know, so of course I created this. I know there's a 15 on here. And I reckon I'm going to end up hitting the 15. But let's see. If not, I will just, right, 1, which is here. Okay, and that's 5. Perfect. Okay. Ah, but there's 10s on here as well. 3. 1, 2, 3. I've got a feeling that's a 10. Oh, no, it's the 15. Oh, okay. Well, we'll have to do some mowing, won't we? When it comes to next time playing the next round of this. But that's fine. So, basically, owe this 10. Owe it 10? Yeah, owe it 10 because it's 15 there. Okay, that's all right. I just knew that was going to happen. Just knew it. Okay, then. Into a slice of savings, we've got £5. And I don't quite know how I want to play it. I feel like I want to play it, but I've only got £5. So let's see how far we get on this. 2. 1, 2. Okay. So that's 4. Well, shall we... Let's see where we end up. But I can only do a 1, can't I? So, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, no, we're just going to do this one. There we go. And what I'm thinking of, maybe I should get bigger dice. I don't know. But, oh no, because I can just miss out then. So, yeah, each time I'll start from, well, I can never cross off the 2, can I? Oh, no, I can. 1, 2. So, I'll always start from here. And then we'll just go round. And And yeah, that's how I want to play it. That's how I'm going to play it. So yeah, a little £5 into there. Till we like, yeah, because I don't, the thing is, I know that, you know, I should mark it off here and then start from here to actually get to the end. But, oh, shall I do that? Oh, I think about it. I'll have a think about it, about how I want to do it. Right, the Pretty in Pink got a nice little chunk of 15. Like, what the hell? So let's cross off 3 bows, 5, 10, and 15. There, so that's a good one for the old starting there for the 100. And then let's party didn't get anything. Sad times, but there we go. That is what the dice said to do. So yeah, there we go. So that seemed okay, right? I mean, I won't know how this video's come out until I've actually looked at it and edited it. If you're watching it, you know it made the cut. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed that. I've been wanting to do and start the birthday game day series for a few weeks now, and yeah, finally getting around to doing it. There won't be, I think there's another one this month, but I don't think there's any next month. I'm not too sure. They're not like a scheduled thing. They're gonna be a bit sporadic. Just be on the lookout for them episodes. By staying up to date, if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, then it will notify you when I do upload a new video. But I'm going to leave it there for today. Thank you ever so much. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did get through to the end of the video, if you could leave this emoji in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much. I hope you're having a great day and a great week as always, and I shall see you all soon. Bye-bye.